In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to downgrade Zoho Books, providing a complete guide for 2025. If you're looking to manage your budget more efficiently or simply consolidate your business tools, knowing how to downgrade can be incredibly useful. We'll walk through this process step by step for clarity and ease. First things first, begin by accessing your Zoho Books account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the dashboard. The dashboard is essentially your control center within Zoho Books, offering a snapshot of your financial data and quick access to various functionalities. This is often the starting point for handling most tasks in Zoho Books. As you're on the dashboard, look for a particular highlighted area that indicates where to proceed next. Clicking on this highlighted section is crucial as it will direct you to the settings area. From there, you'll see a range of options to manage your account preferences and subscription details. Now, proceed by clicking on Manage Subscription. This option can usually be found within your settings page. As the name suggests, this is the place where you can handle all things related to your subscription, whether it's upgrading, downgrading, or simply reviewing your current plan details. This step is key for anyone looking to control their expenses efficiently. After clicking Manage Subscription, you'll be taken to a new page where you'll find an option that reads Subscribe to Zoho Books in 4 easy steps. This is more than just a subscription page. It's where you can adjust your current plan settings. You might notice options to either select a new plan, which includes downgrading to a more cost-effective option, or change the billing period to one that better suits your needs. It's also an opportunity to look through other plan features that your business might benefit from at a lower cost. Be sure to check all the details of the plan you're switching to, especially the features you'll have access to once you downgrade. Downgrading might mean losing some advanced functions that your current subscription includes. So having a clear idea of what changes with the new plan is imperative. After reviewing and selecting your new downgraded plan, confirm your choice and any associated cost changes that might apply. You should receive a confirmation about your new subscription details, and just like that, you have successfully downgraded your Zoho Books account. Understanding how to navigate and manage your software subscriptions is an essential skill in today's tech-driven world. Whether for personal reasons or business efficiency, knowing how to downgrade Zoho Books empowers you to take control of your financial tools and keep your budget on track.